Hey everyone, welcome to Fable Pixels. This is Pixel Tease, a new series where I take a quick look at retro PC components and relive the spirit of the 2000s. Short, fun and mysterious, just enough to make you curious. In each Pixel Tease, I'll mention the number of likes needed for this component to get a full video, whether as a detailed review, test or part of a retro build. Your likes will help decide what content appears next on the channel. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe to follow the projects and not miss new Pixel Tease episodes. This is the Gigabyte GeForce 8800 GTS, featuring the iconic fantasy character artwork in purple and blue tones, just like the Fable Pixels channel. Launched in the early 2007, it became a true mid-range hero built on the legendary GT architecture. This was the chip that brought DirectX 10 to PC gaming and marked the beginning of a new era. The 8800 GTS delivers smooth performance in demanding titles like Oblivion, F.E.A.R and Company of Heroes, games that truly push PCs to their limits. And Gigabyte made their version unforgettable with that unique cooler design. The blue-haired heroine, vivid fantasy art, and bold colors that made it stand out from the crowd. Affordable, powerful for its time, and absolutely iconic, the 8800 GTS opened the door to next-gen gaming for countless PC builders. Now we can decide when this card comes back to the channel. If this video reaches the goal, it will unlock a full deep dive history, gameplay and maybe a full video retro build around the GTS. If it's already unlocked, you'll find the link in the description and end screen. Hit that like button, because your vote decides what's next. And don't forget, you can also vote for other graphics cards featured here on Fable Pixels. The PowerColor HD 4670, PCIe 1GB, a budget legend from 2008. The GeForce 7300 GT, a card meant for budget builds, sitting well below the 7600 series. The NVIDIA GeForce 6600 GT by PNY, and it's not just any version. Check out this Doom 3 artwork. Back in 2004, this card was a true mid-range hero. So hit that like button, because your vote decides what's next.